The PETLIBRO Cat Water Fountain offers a 2.5-liter stainless steel tray with smart app monitoring to track your cat's hydration habits. Using the PawSense Health Monitoring System, the app records drinking volume, frequency, and time, helping you stay informed about your cat's health in real time. Designed for easy cleaning and installation, this indoor cat fountain features a detachable tank and wireless pump. Choose between continuous or intermittent flow modes, with a multi-layer filtration system that removes harmful substances. The app also sends reminders to refill water and replace filters, ensuring fresh water for your pet at all times.